so many motorcycles going by right now, so you probably can't hear a word I'm saying. Hi guys, this is Peace the Gypsy checking in from Thailand, and I'm here to bring you guys my house tour. We're gonna do it like Chris, like hot. You hear me? Hot. It is so hot. So let's get this tour started, guys. So we are outside my gate. We're just gonna go in here where the driveway is. And beautiful landscape. This part of the tree actually fell, and like the ground shook when it fell. It was really crazy. So you'll see my bike up here parked under this lovely carport. I just washed clothes today, so I'm hang drying. This door here goes to the outside kitchen, which we'll get to in a little bit. All these windows allowing natural air, nice breeze throughout the house. The street can get pretty busy, but at night it's pretty quiet. So then this gate just slides. Really helpful when I'm having like deliveries and stuff come. Place to put our shoes. House guest. I don't feed him or anything, so I don't know why he hangs out here. But he was hanging out here from when my friends used to live here. And I just have a fan down here just to keep things cool. Then if we look straight ahead, we have a little seating area, dining room table. If you guys were with me in China, you recognize this. I actually need to iron this from Peru, which I always use as a tablecloth. So we have the stairs, which we will get to in a little bit. Maybe it's really brighter than I think it is because it looks really dark in here. Straight ahead, microwave. We're heading towards the kitchen. If we go to the right, we have a bathroom. Mostly for guests. I don't really come down here that much. Straight ahead, we have the kitchen. Yeah. I hope my friend is watching. She gave me this apron and I still carry it everywhere. So, got a little pantry here. Yeah, gotta have ice because it is hot. Hot, it is so hot. And this is a little bit messy, but yeah. Refrigerator. And if we proceed to give you what you need, we have the outside kitchen area here. And you guys remember this door? This is the door from outside. There's my bike and everything. Everything's everything. I love all this space. So I can cook here, and that's what I do. Washing machine. Yeah, everything you could possibly need, you know? So now we walk back from the kitchen and we go to the left. We have the stairs. Curve upwards. Very lovely. I get most of my exercise going up and down these stairs. I'm using this room as an office, so lots of light, lots of beautiful light coming in this room. And was a desk I use here. Pikachu! Chang Hyuk. You guys, you already know. And yeah, we got some seating in here. And my personal favorite part, the closet. I always wanted like a big closet, man. And here I have it. So it's opened up on both sides. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you to Hira for most of these clothes that are here and these shoes. Yeah, so then you close that, and we close that, and that part's a mirror. And we close that, and that part's a mirror. And that's my wardrobe, y'all. So we come out of the room here. Oh, almost forgot. There's a balcony, you guys. So pretty. Yeah. I do my yoga out here in the mornings. And this is my neighborhood. It's midday right now, so it's so hot. I was actually gonna film this in the morning, but I got bored. So I decided to film, and there's windows everywhere. I love it. But they're all screened, just like how this, I can close this door if I want to, but it'll like mess up the airflow for the house. So I just keep this screen. We're going straight. There's the stairs there, but we're gonna go to the left. And this bed was actually in that room, but I want to use that room as an office. So the bed is just, twin bed is just currently in the middle of the, I don't know, would you call this a foyer, I guess? Bathroom up here. I didn't really clean, so I'm sorry, guys. But yeah, just enough space. And the bedroom. I don't know why it looks so dark on this camera, on this screen, but I hate making my bed, so I apologize, you guys. It looks like crap. I have another fan up here because it gets really hot. And another wardrobe, but this one I've just turned into a linen closet. And there's a TV here, but I don't watch TV, so this side, I look fat. Just has my bags, my luggage and stuff on this side. So right here, I guess I'll call my beauty station. Of course, you already know I gotta have my South Korean flag somewhere. I want to hang it somewhere, but I can't find a place right now. I have a second desk here because TOP, my baby. When I have to teach during the day, like if I were teaching right now, it's so hot that teaching in that office is too much. This room has an AC. So if I have to teach during the day, I will come and teach at my vanity over here. And once again, we have another balcony. 2 balconies. Doesn't get any better than that, you guys. A stalk. Look at this guy. Where's he going? This is like a little apartment complex back here. But it's still pretty quiet. Look at the mountains back there. Aren't they beautiful? Wow. Yeah, the sunset view is just phenomenal out here. So, that's it, you guys. Turn on back around. On into the house. I almost opened the door the wrong way. And I hope you're doing well, and I will see you guys later.